Hello, everybody. If you host a Vbulletin forums on your website, then probably, you have thought several times about upgrading it, improving certain functionalities, creating a new style or testing new features. This, however, does not come without a cost. On multiple occasions, you would have ruined everything without knowing how to restore the forums to their latest good settings. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can make a backup of your forums before you test anything on it. This will require you to back up your directory, as well as the database associated with it. But first of all, make sure you turn it off. Now, let us begin. In this example, I am preparing a backup of my forums, hosted by Vbulletin Hosting. Step 1. Select the forums directory, and compress it. Then, you can download the compressed folder on your computer. Step 2. We will now go to the database. I am using phpadmin application. Click the database that corresponds to the forums. On top of the right side frame, click Export. It is advisable to expand the advanced customized list, custom, display all possible options. Then choose Select All. Move then to Output. In the compression drop list, choose Zipped. Click the Go button. The database will now be downloaded on your computer. That is all for making the backup. On our next tutorial, we will see how we can restore our forums from those backup files. Have a good day. Goodbye.